Now, students, we were studying about the complement of sets. So, let's understand some properties of complement sets. Now, what is the first property? Complement law. Complement laws. So, what is the first law? A union A complement is equal to U, and A intersection A complement is equal to phi. Okay. Now, second law. This is called as De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. So, what is it? A union B dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. And what is the second law? A intersection B dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Now, what is the third one? Law of double complementation. Law of double complementation. So, what this law states that A dash dash this is equal to A. Okay. Now, what is the fourth law? Law of empty set. Empty set and universal set. Again, universal set. So, phi dash is equal to U and U dash is equal to phi. Okay, students, I think this is clear to you. Now, students, let's study the practical problems on union and intersection of two sets. Practical problem of union and intersection of two sets. Now, students, let A and B are the two finite sets. Then N A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus N A intersection B. if n a intersection b is equal to phi, so this implies that n a union b is equal to n a plus nb. Okay, now let's prove this. Proof. Suppose this is set A and this is set B. This is set A and this is set B. So this portion is A minus B and this portion is A intersection B and this portion is B minus A. So n A union B is equal to n A minus B plus n A intersection B plus n B minus A. Now this is equation 1. Now see set A. So set A is n A minus B. Set A is n A minus B plus n A intersection B, and similarly set B is equal to n B minus A plus n A intersection B. Okay, so from these equations, from equation 1, n A union B is equal to, in the place of n A minus B, we can write n A minus n A intersection B plus n A intersection B, and in the place of n B minus A, we can write n B minus n A intersection B. So plus A intersection B and minus A intersection B cancels out. So it comes n A union B is equal to n A plus n B minus n A intersection B. Okay, which proves the above result. Similarly, students, if they are having 3 sets, so we can directly write if A, B and C are finite sets, then n A union B union C is equal to n A plus n B plus n C minus n A intersection B minus n B intersection C minus n A intersection C plus n A intersection B intersection C. Okay, students. So I think this is clear to you. The derivation is not in your course, but I will explain how it comes. Now n A union B union C, this is equal to, let us consider B union C is a one set, so let us consider it to be K. So let B union C is equal to K. So it becomes n A union K, and this is equal to NA plus NK minus NA intersection K. So we can write NA plus N B union C minus N A intersection B union C. Okay. Now this can be written as NA NB plus NC minus NB intersection C, and here we can write N A intersection B union A intersection C. Remember this property, A intersection B union C. So N A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay, so it becomes NA plus NB plus NC minus N A intersection B minus N B intersection C minus N A intersection C plus N A intersection B intersection C. Okay, hence proved. Okay students, I think this is clear to you.